Today we are going to discuss about this introduction to data visualization in Power BI. Let's see what is data visualization in Power BI. This data visualization in Power BI is refers to the process of creating graphical representations of data to better understanding and communicate insights. And this Power BI offers a wide range of visualization tools and options to create interactive and dynamic dashboards and reports. So this data visualization is like brings data to life using of colors and different shapes to present it, and it would like otherwise we can also use the text and numerical values for the creating of your data visualization. And this data visualization is provides an easy way to understand the presented information, like what you are going to represent the information. Either it might be in using of in graphs or charts, uh, any different type of graphical representation that may in a like easy way to understand with others. It might be in a text format or different types of table format, matrices, charts, maps, and cards, or different using of slicers, country maps, waterfall charts, ribbon charts. Yeah, these many visualizations we can able to use in the Power BI, right? Yes. And the importance of this Power BI, importance of data visualization in Power BI. Yeah, it is very easy to understand. It is like using of the large data, which is having the large quantity of the data. That data you are going to importing into the Power BI, right? So, for example, I have more than 20,000 to 30,000 data in the Excel format or in a CSV format. So that is in a large. So it is about the company's data. So I need to calculate the number of females and number of males in a company, right? So for using of this data, this large data, it is very tough to calculate the females and the males, right? So in that such cases, we can use this data visualization that makes this process simple and easy to understand how many females are there in a company and how many males are there in a company. Okay, that's why we can say it as easy to understand. And we can use different types of visuals that can interact with data in a better way. For example, we can dig deeper into a visual to obtain the detailed information from it using of this interactive visuals and easy to share. This data visualization makes even a sharing part in an easy way that we can share market trends or any other important information using visuals. And our team can also be responsive for it by using of this sharing this reports and the dashboard with others. And personalized and updatable. These visuals are developed based on the target audience. Yes, these many visuals are developed by based on the target audience, and they can be easily updated at any time. When when the data changes, they can easy to update at any time and anywhere using of this Power BI. Next, data visualization techniques. Yeah. These are the few data visualization techniques like know your audience. Like you have to know first what you are going to do. You have to know what is there and what the data you have required for the data you have done into this Power BI. Okay, you have to collect all the information and then set a goal. For example, I want to calculate the uh, annual income of an employee in a company, number of employees and their annual incomes in a company. That is my goal. to calculate for this data. So choose the correct visual because I am going to place the number of employees and as well as their annual income salary. So I need to calculate two values. Like I have to take the two values. First, one value is represent on the x-axis and another one is on the y-axis, right? So choose the correct visual. For example, I am going to calculate the two different values. So, if in these cases, if I choose the pie chart, that will give you somewhat disturbance in the visual. So, in that cases, you need to select different types of bar charts, plotting chart, column chart, and the line chart. That will give you in a graphically like a histogram, histogram or bar. That should be in a it is very easy to understand. Like you can use a correct visual. For the one value, you can use this pie chart. That is, it is okay to find two using of the one value, creating using with pie chart. But based on the requirements, you have to select the correct visual and limit the number of interaction between the visuals used, and visuals you are using. That you have to give the number of interactions, limit to the number of interactions. And then certified custom visuals. Like for my visual, I am going to certify that customizing different types of visuals using of heading, background of heading and plotting area background and pie chart background or anything, any values. Or I want to um, modify the borders of my visual or giving margins, shadow, and the color changes, highlighting. Yeah, different types of modification we can apply in the certified custom visuals. Yes. And coming to the types of data visualizations in Power BI, we have many different types of charts like tables. Tables, we can use that data in a tabular format, and the matrices, this displaying data in a matrix format with rows and the columns. And the charts, we have many different types of charts: column chart, bar chart, line chart, pie chart, and scatter chart. And the maps, you can also use the map like geographical data on the map in the Power BI visualizations. And the cards like single matrices, or you can include the key performance interface values. And the slices, the slices data will interactive with filters and tree maps, like it is deals with hierarchical data. And waterfall charts, this going to display cumulative totals. And we can also use these many different types of charts like ribbon chart for the categorical data. Okay, these are the different types of visualizations we'll have in the Power BI. And the features of the data visualization in Power BI is we can use this you have to creating this all visualizations by using of drag and drop method, like drag and drop interface, like easily add and arrange visualizations. And customization options like adjusting of colors, font, and layout. These many options you can use in the customization options. And interactivity like filter, drill down, hover. These very like interact. It is in an interactive way. And then animations like animating visuals to show changes over the time. And conditional formatting. This highlighting the important data points. Using of this conditional formatting is you have to highlight any data information. You can use the conditional formatting. And tooltips display additional information. It is going to display additional information in the tooltips like drill down capabilities like explore detailed data. It is using for the explore detailed data. And mobile optimization like visualizations adapt to mobile devices. You can also use in the mobile devices. These are the different types of features for using of this data visualization Power BI. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.